guys, we will play Uno. So this is how to play Uno. I mean, I will not see it, but we will play it. Can move it. Move here. Come here. So this is the card. So we will play now. What the freak? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay. We will play now, guys. Baba ko. Okay, red. Guys, I think I'm winning. I have 3 cards. What color? Dog! Blue. Blue 6. Is that 9 or 6? Oh, it's 9. What color? What color? Green. Okay. I'm gonna put this. No, it has to be same number. But it's the same color. Uno. Nah! Can one! Okay, again. I should be up. Just lapa in. And then guys, for the next video, maybe we're gonna have a drift test or a drift paradise roleplay, okay? But first we need to set it up before playing. This is the last game. Okay. It's until 2, then we're gonna have the drift paradise. Actually, we're gonna have like a reference of games because I have a lot of cars. Two? Yeah. No, 1. Let's make it until 20. No, for it's more challenging. Fine. 20 4, is actually 4, easy. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Wait, counters na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. How much is yours?
10.
11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Oh, damn! Oh, I don't have yellow. Your turn. Gosh, it's so thick. Block me, block you, block me, block you. It's
No,
my turn.
I block you all. I block you for 4 times.
Doctor, you're talking to your highness. Doctor, you're talking to your highness. Doctor, you're talking to your highness. Blue! Red. Okay, block you. I'm gonna change the color.
That's not the same.
Oh.
Yellow. Your turn.
Green.
Ano?
Oops. Wait, what that pa?
Oops.
Wala, change color.
Never mind. Get those 2 clusters of yours and like it this. And I'll change color. Blue.
Oh, wait.
That is not my problem. Problem, not my problem. That is not my problem.
Problem, it's my
Double down.
problem.
Double down. Double down. I did double down. So I have no more cards. I did double down. Okay, guys. We're gonna be doing Drift Empire or Drift Roleplay.